Welcome to Katie's Garage. I am here to teach women just like you how to work on your own car so you can take the uncertainty and the scariness out of maintaining your own vehicle. Okay, so I was on my way to work and this happened. So I was on my way to work. Please excuse the super dirty car. And the check engine light came on. So I didn't hear any weird noises or anything as I was driving it. It just kind of came on. This car is really high in miles, as you can see, but this is a good opportunity for me to show you what you should do when your check engine light comes on. So one of the first things that you should do is check your gas cap. So that is something that's very common, that if you don't get it tightened all the way, it will set your check engine light off. So I'm just gonna check that, and it is all the way tight. So I know that as soon as I hear that click, that means that it's on all the way. So that's probably not the problem with this car this time, but let's go ahead and hop to my local car supply store. I prefer AutoZone, and they're gonna check the codes for me for free. Going into the local AutoZone. They brought the scan tool out for the Camry, and all they did was just plug it in underneath the dash. There's a little port for it. He pulls the codes and then went inside, pulled up what the check engine light was. So in this particular instance, it's the catalytic converter, which is part of the exhaust system. That's something that is not urgent. I can keep driving the car, so it's not something that I have to fix right away. It's really important to get your check engine codes read, because it will tell you whether or not it's something serious that needs to be addressed right away, or if it's something that can wait. And it also just helps you diagnose exactly what the problem is. So I highly recommend that you go to like a local parts store to get your codes read. It saves you a lot of money, because if I was to take this car into a shop just to have them read the codes, some of them will do it for free, but some charge a minimum of half an hour of labor, which is anywhere from $35 to $50 or more depending on where you go. And this is just one way you can get it done really quickly and save yourself some money. So that's what you need to do when you have a check engine light coming on.